Do you know in which country this is?
3, 2, 1.
It's Statue of Liberty in United States of America. Do you know in which country this is?
3, 2, 1.
It's Eiffel Tower in France. Do you know in which country this is?
3, 2, 1.
It's Khana Kaaba in Saudi Arabia. Do you know in which country this is?
3, 2, 1.
It's Leaning Tower of Pisa in Italy. Do you know in which country this is?
3, 2, 1.
It's Chinese Great Wall in China. Do you know in which country this is?
3, 2, 1.
It's Taj Mahal in India. Do you know in which country this is?
3, 2, 1.
It's Stonehenge in England. Do you know in which country this is?
3, 2, 1.
It's Great Pyramid of Giza in Egypt. Do you know in which country this is?
3, 2, 1.
It's Sydney Opera House in Australia. Do you know in which country this is?
3, 2, 1.
It's Moy on Easter Island in Chile. Do you know in which country this is?
3, 2, 1.
It's Machu Picchu in Peru. Do you know in which country this is?
3, 2, 1.
It's Christ the Redeemer in Brazil. Do you know in which country this is?
3, 2, 1.
It's Angkor in Cambodia. Do you know in which country this is?
3, 2, 1.
It's the Acropolis in Greece. Do you know in which country this is?
3, 2, 1.
It's La Sagrada Familia in Spain.